Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to put an image in a shape on Canva. So the first step is to open your canvas. Then from here on the sidebar, select elements, and in your elements search for frames. Once you find your frames, look for the exact shape you want to use from, and you have all these options to choose. So let's select this heart or this circle. So I would click on it and then use these handles to adjust the scale of my frame. Then from here, place it wherever it is you want on your canvas. Next, go back to elements, use the search bar and look for photos, or you can choose to upload one from your personal gallery. And then scroll through the photos and select the one that you wish to add. So let me choose this one. So once it's been added onto the canvas, I can now long press on it and then place it on top of the frame. And now you should see the image has been added onto my frame successfully. So from here, I can scale the frame up again. Then if you wish to adjust the image, double click on the image itself, and then move it around and adjust it to the way you want. So then once you've made the adjustments, you can choose to rotate it if that's what you wish. And then when you're done, simply click on the done option to save the changes. Thank you for watching. If you want any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.